So it's that time of year again. You're looking for some holiday drink ideas for a Christmas cocktail party. I got one of my best holiday party recipes. Matter of fact, one of my favorite Christmas cocktail recipes right here for you. Stay tuned. What's up guys, Sam James, Barprints.co, and in this video we're going to be talking about Christmas cocktail recipes, Coquito edition. Now if you're looking for the best advice on all things bartending and cocktail, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, and don't forget to click the notification bell to make sure you never miss a new video when it comes out. Now this is a really easy Coquito recipe, and I'm not just going to show you how to make Coquito, but how to make Coquito from Puerto Rico. Now, in case you're wondering to yourself, Sam's Jamaican, what does Sam know about any Puerto Rican Coquito? Well, Sam's been fortunate enough to make a few Puerto Rican friends along the way whose grandmothers taught them how to make said Coquito. So, thanks Grandma. Now this winter cocktail comes from my stash of Christmas party recipes, or big batch recipes I should say, because quite frankly, I don't think I've ever made a single serving of Coquito a day in my life. But here's what you do. Grab your blender and go ahead and take 250 milliliters of evaporated milk, another 250 milliliters of condensed milk, 400 milliliters of coconut milk, 425 milliliters of coconut cream, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add some cinnamon to taste. I usually go with about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. Hit the blender and start combining the ingredients. Now personally, my favorite winter cocktail recipes are winter cocktails with rum. So naturally, I'm gonna love Christmas drink recipes that support this idea. So for your final step, go ahead and add some rum to taste and strength, your personal taste and strength. I personally go with about 250 milliliters of rum. You could either go with light rum or you could use the gold rum like I'm using right here for mine. Serve me well every single time, every single year. Everybody loves it this way. But obviously, try it for yourself. Match it to your own personal taste and preferences. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and bottle it up and put it in the refrigerator. Keep it refrigerated, and then when you're ready to serve it, go ahead and serve it chilled without any ice, and you're all set. Now, pro tip, if you want to take it to another level, I would recommend taking some espresso and making some ice cubes with it. About 1 ounce espresso ice cubes, and when you're ready to serve your Coquito, just drop one of these cubes in the glass. Now this will do 2 things. One, it'll help keep it cool, obviously, because you're serving this typically without ice, but as the espresso begins to melt, it starts to season the Coquito with a nice coffee flavor, and of course, because it's slowly melting in there, every time your guest takes a sip of it, it's going to be different from the last one, gradually changing the flavor a little bit, or I should say enhancing the flavor. Again, pro tip, something that I've done for many years that everybody absolutely loves. And that's how to make Coquito. By far one of my favorite cocktails with coconut milk, and a definite must-have in your stash of Christmas drink ideas. Definite go-to for whenever you need Christmas cocktails with rum. Now, if you're looking for products to help you upgrade your bar skills and take them to the next level, go ahead and head over to barprints.co and check out what we have over there. Also, if you haven't already, go ahead and download our Barprints cheat sheet, free PDF training that takes you from novice bartender to a pro in just under 24 hours. Finally, if you found this video helpful, and I really hope you have, don't forget to give it a like and share it with your friends. And for some more great recipes and bartending advice, don't forget to check out these videos right here. Thanks a lot for joining me. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.